Hello everyone, and this is a new you where I help twin flames to heal and to master thyself along thy journey. My name is Rubylee B, and I am a self-mastery coach, and I am a twin flame specialist. And so if you are a twin flamer who is on the twin flame journey, or if you feel as though you found your twin flame and you were seeking and you're searching for information, you're just thirsty for knowledge and you want to know, what is this journey all about? What is it? Well, I am a real life twin flame, and that's what I do on this channel. I talk about everything twin flame, spirituality, healing, inspiration, self-mastery. And so if that sounds like something that you are interested in, if that sounds like something that you want to be a part of, make sure you click that bell and become a subscriber to a new you, for new you has been created just for you. And so today I wanted to share with you guys one of my early morning rise cleanses. And I do this cleanse every single morning. This is like the first thing that I do when I get up every single morning. I take a shot of baking soda. Now, I don't put like a whole teaspoon of baking soda. I just put like a little bit of a corner of baking soda on the teaspoon. And I put it in my mouth. And I take a bottle of water and I drink the bottle of water. The bottle of water. I drink all of it. And then I move on to the next step in my early morning rise cleanse, which I will bring to you tomorrow. But I just wanted to show you guys the first step that I do in my early morning rise cleanses. And so what the baking soda does for your body, and that's for my body, is that it helps reduce inflammation. So if you have any type of inflammation within the body, it can help reduce the inflammation dramatically. And what I love about this is that baking soda is something that, you know, the majority of us have in our homes already. It is a one of those, natural remedies, that you can use. It's very inexpensive. You could get it for like 99 cents at Kroger's or at the dollar store. It's very inexpensive, as you well know. And, it's a home product that the majority of us have sitting around in our homes. And so you can actually take that internally and use that to help your body to heal. And so, and I also use the baking soda in my bath water. It helps to alkaline the water, and it can also help to alkaline your body as well. And so I just wanted to share that tad bit of information with you guys of what I do to heal. And so this is one of my first steps that I do every single morning to help heal my body. And so guys, that is it. My name is Rubylee B. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please remember to click that like button. Share this video with your followers if you found this information to be useful to you, and remember to subscribe to this YouTube channel so that you can keep up with what is going on in the new you community. And so guys, that is it. I will leave you in love.